God, is that what?
May isa ka ba Diyosa?
This is the kind of face that I don't want to have for me. Talaga?
Daniela?
Oh my gosh. Very? Punta ka alam mo sa totoong buhay, mas pangit ka pa kay Betty Lapay.
Si Daniela pala kabayo.
Ano nakakaloka? Okay, who else? We wanna say thank you.
Si Soy, maraming salamat. Wala na siya. He left na.
And thank you to Val. He's not here anymore, he left na. And thank you to Val's company, Anthony and everyone. Thank you, ma'am, for being here. And everyone, you know when you don't know you personally, but you wish to know you personally. Yeah, siya is... Kailangan mo
Pila-pila mo ah.
What did I say? I said I wish. I said I did not. I won't. I just wish. You know.
Ano ba talaga?
Wish. I'm so tired. I'm so sorry. I'm so tired. I'm so exhausted. I just had a choir play after that. Together with the dance.
Wow! Pati baba.
Okay.
Sa lahat ng mga nasa likod kanina nakatayo, maraming salamat po sa taas.
Salamat po.
And we have stopped to, you know, to give you guys, right?
Yes.
Because we are friends of the owner of this, what you call this? Of this
Royal
Business Club, which is about to be introduced soon here in Davao.
Yes.
Yeah, they offer a lot of things like.
Mamimigay tayo.
Yeah, go. Go!
Pwede ka kumuha.
Excuse me.
Ikaw ba may-ari?
Ano to eh, something. Kape, pero hindi
Ano yung try niyo yung coffee nila at saka yung ano nila,
Sa'yo
yung
na lang
glutathione, yung glutathione, sobrang effective, my God.
Yes.
Pag gumamit ka ng glutathione, bukas makalawa si Casper ka na. Super puti mo, my gosh. The glutathione is so effective. Nag-glutathione ako, kaya little by little pumuputi ako. Itong baklang to, glutathione ang pinapahit.
Kaya pala daming tao ka rin, sunod-sunod.
Ayan. Okay, next
Ito pa, meron pa karton. Ganun, no?
Royal Business Club.
Royal
Okay.
Business Club. Sige po. May kape dyan.
Ang tayo na sleep.
Oh, merong kape dyan.
Talagang magigising ka talaga. Tapos ilang araw ka nang gising, tapos kami tulog, tapos gising ka.
Kakali ka po.
Kakaiba yung kape yan, ano? Kahit natutulog ka, magigising ka. Kasi may buhay yung kape, gigising ka. Yung kape hindi iniinom, inuuga ka na habang natutulog, kaya magigising ka talaga. Saan nakakita ka?
May buhay.
May buhay talaga.
Wala kang pakialam. You're not part of a dance. You know, I'm so friends with the dance company. Not just them, but with the four of them. Okay, and thank you so much, everyone. I assume some of you already went back home, but if they already left us, just say thank you for us, okay? Because we don't know them personally. How we wish we could know them personally, but we can't because we are only four. That's why this group is also called Four Ladies. Partner mo yan ba? Ay, sila kasi.
Oh, hayop sa hayop.
It's okay, I'd rather be alone.
Bakit ba ayaw mo?
My goodness, if I'm gonna stay with this fucking guy, I'd rather stay in the zoo.
Wala ka doon?
Kaya ka lumabas ako. I can't speak with you, you can't even speak in English.
No, I know how to speak in English, asshole.
Yes, I'm an asshole, and you are the shit inside the asshole.
Kasi we're compatible.
We're not compatible. Hello, you're not part of a dance club.
Dance na naman.
When Vice was in school, he was a member of a dance company.
What?
When you were in school.
No, I don't go to school. You don't go to school? The school went to my place.
Ang laki ng school.
So it's a home
Yeah, it's a home study. I can't go to school because I'm so busy. I'm part of a very successful group. It's a dance company. Nakalimutan pa kayo sa dati na sinasabi.
Pag hindi pa kayo, asan na ba si Arnold? Arnold ba? O, ayan na, Arnold.
Alika na, gusto ko na magpahinga. Yung dugo ko hindi na umababa.
Gusto mo pa salamatan, of course.
Yeah, I want to say thank you to Cobra for the artificial energy that I have to. Kasi wala ako talagang tulog. Galing kami ng Pampanga. Antoinette, I had a show last night sa Pampanga. Nakauwi kami ng Maynila. Anong oras na? Tapos early ang flight. Pag figurator, hindi na ako nakatulog kasi alas 3 ang rehearsal. I can't even, you know, take volumes anymore kasi I'm just gonna go groggy. That's why I have...
Hindi siya groggy.
What?
English ni groggy.
Oh my God, you don't know groggy?
Groggy po.
Groggy is an English term.
Spell.
Sinabi ko nga yung spell pa Hello, oh my God, don't treat me like that. You're not even a member of a dance company.
Ano ang member siya?
I just deal with the CEO of the dance company. The name is Arnold, right?
Arnold.
Arnold.
Sa choreographer,
Yeah. You know, if you are tired and you need artificial energy, just drink Cobra. Cobra is
Not
so-
just one.
but two. Nakakaloka yung Cobra, parang alak din.
Alam mo, dalawa talaga yung inom
Tapos,
niya,
pag
dalawa.
bumili ka sa tindahan, magbabayad ka ng deposito, kasi sa babalik mo yun.
Parang sa midlife.
Tapos, ano?
Papasukin mo naman sa akin.
Pag-inay, pagod na ako, ito pang makikita ko. Kaya ako matutulog kung ano mong papangunin.
Ayaw mo akong katabi?
Hello? My gosh. This job doesn't even suit you, so go!
I'm sorry, Daniela.
Who are you?
Betty. You know me?
Betty La Fea? You're Betty La Fea?
Betty Ulapeya.
Ikaw naman, joke ka lang. Hindi kapag joke ka, share mo para matawa naman. Oh my God, you're so corny. You can't be a member of a dance.
Punta ka dance ka na naman.
Oh, thank you,
Thank you
everyone.
so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. You know, we all feel that you